JMC 6000 here for this week's JMC Garage Talk review. Well, obviously I'm not in the garage. In fact, I'm on the top of a mountain pass, lookout pass. It's between the border of Idaho and Montana on I-90. I'm going to flip the camera around because the reason why I'm up here is we're going to do a review on tires that I just got for my 2025 Explorer. Yes, I'm not in the garage, but I think this is a perfect opportunity not only to do the tire review, but just this beautiful, beautiful scenery up here on top of Lookout Pass, almost 5,000 feet in elevation. We got some, I wouldn't say it's fresh powder, but we got some powder up here. Check out this old snowcat right here. Eagle Peak Cat skiing at Lookout Pass. Isn't that a cool piece of equipment? Oh my goodness, this is so cool up here. I got some other stuff we're going to check out, but before we do that, before we drive over that way, I want you to go ahead and kind of go over the tires that I have mounted on the Explorer. Now, please forgive me, just got back from Montana. In fact, I'm on top of Lookout Pass, but these tires here are the Nitto Motivo 365. In fact, let's get a better look at these tires. That tire was kind of nasty looking. Better look at these tires. Nitto Motivo 365. These tires are all weather rated, the 3-peak mountain snowflake rated, and just been a phenomenal tire. Really have been a phenomenal tire. And you can tell they're 3-peak mountain snowflake rated by the symbol, if I can find it on this tire. Oh, there it is right there. Been a phenomenal tire. I've been impressed with the traction that they provide up here in ski country. As you can tell, people are just getting ready to go skiing. There's a chairlift over there. It takes them all the way up to the top. Just a beautiful, beautiful area. In fact, we're going to walk and kind of check out some of the sites here. But I've been impressed with these tires. In fact, let me kind of give you an idea of what the tread looks like on these tires. Check that out. I mean, just kind of like a sawtooth grabbing kind of a tread there. Pretty impressive. Kind of show you a background shot right there. Anyway, kind of impressed with these tires. They've been pretty meaty and provide really good traction for what they are. Again, I don't have much to really go by as far as time and everything, but I wanted to give a shot with the vehicle here with these tires. The reason why I got these tires is I'm going to be traveling in Montana every single week, once a week. So I needed something that will get me over the pass no matter what the weather, no matter what it may encounter. And so far, in fact, let me start it up real quick. I kind of want to show you a little bit better of the tread. Let's see. There we go. Wheels all the way turned. Check that out. Kind of got this sawtooth tread going on here. We got some good siping going on over here. Really are an impressive tire. First time running Nittos, and I'm kind of been impressed with them. Really are. So, yeah, they've been really great. I've tried them out a little bit in the ice. They've had pretty good traction, and yeah, can't really beat that. Anyway, just wanted to come up here and show you up here on top of Lookout Pass. Absolutely beautiful. Let me go all the way down there, and yeah, let's go ahead and do some snow traveling while I'm up here. We're gonna put this in slippery. Slippery kind of locks the all-wheel drive system. Again, I have no issues. I don't want to go too far into here because I don't know if I'm allowed to, so I'm going to back up real quick. But actually, oh yeah, I really got to clean my rear camera. I have no issues with traction at all on this thing. None at all. I've been pretty impressed with this thing. Just been impressive. So let me go ahead and kind of pause right here, and I'm gonna go walk down to down that way and kind of show you what we're looking at. I'll be right back. All right, up here at the top of Lookout Pass, I wanted to kind of show you some of the things I've checked. This out: Lolo National Forest, Superior Ranger District. Got some different stuff right here. Snowmobile permits, of course. Mountain resident trail pass required on groomed trails. So this is approved for snowmobiles, mountain bikes, and then of course looks like modified snowmobiles there. Anyway, Sledder's Pledge, but just absolutely beautiful. That is a sign that kind of introduces you to Lookout Pass when you come up here, but just beautiful place. Again, I wanted to make sure I didn't want to come down here with the Explorer just in case I'm not allowed. Obviously, I'm not allowed beyond this point. Chairlift riders, current season pass, lift tickets. Anyway, on the top here of Lookout Pass, let me kind of sum up this. Again, I'm pretty impressed with the Nitto Motivo 365 tires. I did notice a little bit of dip in fuel economy, but I don't know if it's because of tires from the stock Hancocks or if it's just because I'm in the middle of winter. It's about 35 degrees outside, a little bit warmer today, and but I did notice a dip in fuel economy, so we'll see how it goes in the summer. Again, what the beauty about the Nitto 365 is you can run them all year long, and I think that's the great part about it. I mean, if you can run tires all year long, that's awesome. Instead of having to change. Now I know that the Nitto 365 is not a dedicated winter or dedicated snow tire, but for what I'm using it for, and I don't have to worry about changing them out in the spring and changing it back in the fall, I think this is going to be great. I'll report back of what I find out come to fuel mileage, everything else about that. Awesome. If you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Just to let you know, I will be uploading a video Christmas morning. It's going to be a special video kind of updating about the channel, some things that are coming for the new year, some changes that are going to be happening. So you want to make sure you're involved in that. And appreciate all you guys that subscribed, all those guys that are looking at this video. Again, I'll report back with some more miles on the tires as the thing come. But as of right now, pretty impressed with these tires. All right, JMC 6000 signing off from beautiful Lookout Pass. You guys be blessed and have a wonderful day.